How to beautify a girl's face in Adobe Photoshop. First step, open this photo in Adobe Photoshop. If you want to add lipstick, take a new layer and select the lip or face with any selective tool. After selection lip, make the color fill of lipstick. I'm using the red color for it. Now unselect pen blending option of this layer and set it to multiply. And blur it lightly. Adjust the opacity. After that, take a new layer more and select the eyebrow of this face. Make the eyebrow color. Field selection. And now unselect and blur it lightly to like lipstick. Multiply it to like lipstick. Adjust opacity. Now add the cheek makeup as pink colored with pink brush. Multiply it too. And now your photo is ready. Enjoy and be a makeup artist.